Welcome to the cell, y'all, step into the zone. Life starts small, but it's perfectly controlled. Every living organism starts from a cell, building blocks of life where the blueprints dwell. Membrane on the outside, guarding it tight. Organelles in the cytoplasm, cultivating life. It's a microscopic world, but the impact's bold. Welcome to the cell, y'all, let's crack the code. Cells, the basic unit of life, that's the base. Every plant, animal, human, start from the same place. Surrounded by a membrane, holding things inside, protecting what the cell needs just to stay alive. Cytoplasm's the fluid where the organelles float. Chemical reactions happen everywhere we go. Nucleus in control, holds the DNA tight. Sends instructions that tell the cell how to grow. Mitochondria make energy, power on demand. ATP is the fuel, helping cells do commands. Ribosomes build proteins, that's the main role. Proteins do the work that keep the systems whole. Plants have chloroplasts, catching light for food. Cell walls add support, keep the structure smooth. Each part has a job, teamwork inside. Structure and function, how cells survive. Okay, cells, what the function is. Cells, what the structure is. Cells, what the function is. Cells. Alright, now that you've heard the song, I want to break this down a few bars at a time, just to give you a better understanding of what you just listened to. Alright, let's get it. Cells, the basic unit of life, that's the base. Every plant, animal, human, start from the same place. Cells are the smallest unit that can actually carry out life. If something is alive, it's because it's made of one or more cells. Plants, animals, and humans may look very different, but they all start the same way, with cells. Surrounded by a membrane holding things inside, protecting what the cell needs just to stay alive. The cell membrane surrounds the cell and keeps everything inside. The membrane also protects the cell and helps keeps its internal environment stable. This is called homeostasis. Cytoplasm's the fluid where the organelles float. Chemical reactions happen everywhere we go. The cytoplasm is a jelly-like fluid inside the cell, where all the organelles are suspended. Many chemical reactions that keep the cell alive happen within the cytoplasm. Nucleus in control, holds the DNA tight, sends instructions that tell the cell how to grow. The nucleus is the control center of the cell, and it stores the DNA. See, DNA contains instructions that tell the cell how to grow, function, and make proteins. Mitochondria make energy, power on demand. ATP is the fuel, helping cells do commands. Mitochondria produces energy that the cell needs to function. That energy is stored in a molecule called ATP, which cells use as fuel. Ribosomes build proteins, that's the main role. Proteins do the work that keep the systems whole. Ribosomes are responsible for building proteins. Proteins do most of the work inside the cells, helping structures form and reactions happen. Plants have chloroplasts, catching light for food. Cell walls add support, keep the structure smooth. Plant cells have chloroplasts that capture sunlight to make food through a process called photosynthesis. Plant cells also have a cell wall that provides support and helps the cell keep its shape. Each part has a job, teamwork inside. Structure and function, how cells survive. Each part of the cell has a specific job, and they all work together as a team. The structure of each cell part helps it do its function, which allows cells to survive. Quiz time. Yep, you heard it. If you've stuck around this long, you're ready for the quiz. There's going to be 10 multiple choice questions, and you're going to have 5 seconds to answer each one. Alright gang, let's get it.